up in the greenhouse. Ball it up, I'm with the gang. We taking shots off the rebound.
Hi guys, welcome back to the new video. As हमारी last हलवा पूरी की वीडियो काफ़ी अच्छा किया तो like I was trying to look for more kind of that places जो हलवा पूरी पाए निहारी सुबह करते हों. So here we are at Mississauga Dixie Road. The restaurant name is MyKolachi and today we're gonna be trying their halwa puri, anda paratha and keema. So we have heard a lot of good things about it. So guys, we have settled down और जो हमने normal order किया है they have like not the actual menu, so because of the COVID like there is everything is on phone. इनके पास like a very set like and the pricings are amazing like $7.99 and $6.99 like you'll get like set of anda and paratha and then like you get a puri, so it's pretty amazing. And then we have just added like, and then you can add on like there is keema, paya, nihari, that which you can add on to your set of halwa puri. So which is amazing. Like they understand like if you want to try something with the halwa puri like a salad, you don't have to order the whole separate thing. So you can just add on to that. So we have ordered like lassi, anda paratha and halwa puri, and then add on is like mutton keema. We didn't want to go nihari and paya like that hard, but I have tried like the dinner before, so I know like their paya and nihari would be also on point, but today we will be just focusing on the nashta and with the add-on on like for dum mutton keema, and obviously like lassis for the kids. So we got one mango lassi and one sweet lassi. Oh, so the food have started coming in, and you guys like look at this, like the paratha and the egg under it, and this is the halwa puri platter, what I was talking about. So look at this, like the whole thali. It's a whole thali, like we have the achar, halwa and the puri. We are starving so much. Like this place opens up at 11 in the morning, so not right in the, and the kids were up from 7, so as you know, so we have to wait. I'm gonna show you the puri. It's a little bit oily on the, you can't eat obviously like on a weekend like you can go a bit, but like not that oily, but on an oilier side. So I'm gonna be digging in my channa. So look at this. So good. चना थोड़ा मुशी सा हो गया पर सालन बहुत अच्छा है. चना खड़ा खड़ा नहीं आ रहा, जो कि अक्सर होता है कि when it's cooking from way too long, it's hard to pull it off. But out of the world, so good. मैंने इनकी आलू की तरकारी की बहुत तारीफ सुनी है. So let's dig into now आलू की तरकारी. Look at this. Legit कराची वाली, पाकिस्तान वाली. So आपको ज़ीरा जैसे और आलू और खटास हल्की सी, it's very good. Let's try one with achar and the channa. प्याज का अचार है, बहुत अच्छा. And finally we're gonna give it a go to the halwa. So good. Everything is 8-9 out of 10. Puri is not stretchy, it's very nirm. बहुत अच्छा texture है. And chana, everything is like I want to bite again and again, so it's very good sign. Legit, I'm not just making this up, it's so good. So warm and everything is so fresh. It comes in a thal and then the whole set, so you can try everything and all the flavors. Next, we're gonna be trying our paratha and anda. So obviously, paratha ka texture, like a lot of places in Mississauga or GTA or Toronto, paratha itna acha nahi milta. So like we have egg and paratha, so let's give it a go. Oh, Paratha itself is very nice. White atta?
Yeah.
Looks like a white atta. And then it's taken with the egg. So good. Paratha is so yum. Oh my god. And anda. They also know who's making anda. Such a good anda. बहुत अच्छे मसाले खड़े मसाले जैसे एंड देन पराठा वाइट पराठा और वाइट आटे का सो गए Let's give it a go to the sweet lassi. Oh, good, refreshing to cut. Bring all of that down. So good. Now the next one we should be trying is the keema. Let me show you guys like how does the keema look. If you can see, like it's the dum keema. And it's like barbecue जैसा आपको स्मेल आ रही है तो it's like कोयले की भाप दी हुई है इस मटन दम कीमे को and it smells like a barbecue मटन कीमा है beef but it smells like कोयले से इसको भाप दे के it's make it. So let's give it a try. Take out some in our plate and a little bit on oilier side, but if it's Sunday, it's a day off. Like very good, such a good keema. बिल्कुल हल्का सा कोयले की खुशबू आ रही है बहुत अच्छा भुना हुआ है गोश्त बहुत अच्छा है everything is so well. Let me quickly try mango lassi for you. Because we got like one sweet lassi and one mango lassi. So good. So good. So guys, and obviously they have Doodh Patti, which I'm gonna try later. But everything was so on point and so legit. बहुत मज़े का नाश्ता है like literally and for the price like $7.99 की पूरी थाल and then $249 का कीमा. It's so economical in this price, so good. Very good. So guys, thank you for watching the video and liking and subscribing. So yeah, sure.
You want something?
No, we are good. Thank you. Thank you so. No. We have everything. So thank you so much. Thank you. It's so good. So thank you. So yeah, as I was saying, please like the video, comment, subscribe, and I will try to go more places, whatever we can do with the family. So and legit, like the taste is so good. So you need to come in to check it out. So thank you for watching and liking and subscribing. So stay tuned for our next video.